Welcome back again, guys, and it's another episode of EJ Show, and it's about day 38, 38 of EJ Show, English Show, and it's been a nice ecstatic mood where I am completely it's a completely a warm situation here, so it's warm sunny day for sure. So we are just moving to our first segment, which is vocabulary bank, and for last episode we have been to the or we just reviewed the last 64 vocabulary that we already been introduced in our episodes. So for today we got fresh 3 new vocabulary, and we are just moving over to reviewing it, not introducing it. So the first word is bloster, and spelling is BOLSTER, bloster, to support or strengthen. The next word is adept, and it means skilled or proficient. And the next word is congenial, CONGENIAL, congenial. It means that sharing same temperament or quality. And that's all. We are just for reviewing. We don't get any new words. So for tomorrow itself, we will get 3 review and plus 3 new vocabulary. And for just today, we are just winding up the first segment, which is the vocabulary bank, and we are moving forward to the next segment, which is the open fire. And for today's, I just don't have a particular topic to discuss with you all, guys, and for sure. And here it's something smooth, windy, and you can see behind the trees have been shaking over the wind, and it's something a nice feeling. And whenever I have to take a video, I most prefer an open area, so that we can in touch with the environment which we are evolved of. So I just prefer that kind of nature. So I completely a nature man, so I don't prefer that kind of agriculture, but I totally like the way we have been evolved as a human being. So everyone at the earliest stage, way back when our ancestors been there, they all done their initial business as they have been do do agriculture work. So someone is mentioning me in their conversation somewhere else, not here. So we are expecting that it's something good for me as well. So discussing in a positive way. So and for for the agriculture, and we are just for the last 1 week, I am just concentrating on what completely completing completely taking in charge of the behind, you see in the behind field, and completely we are taking, and me, not only me, but also my younger brother, the last younger brother. And I already you already know that I have 2 younger brothers, and the last younger brother who also being collaborate with me to what taking initiative to clean the entire field, and it's completely of that kind of what uh, dumb waste have been there. The plastic materials are also there, and we are just moving over to clean up it all. And it's an ongoing process. And for I just planned for morning section, I completely immerse into that process, that cleaning process. And after that, I just concentrate on binge watching YouTube videos and other Facebook reviewing yourself, feedback, etc. So I completely I don't have any predetermined or in a written way, but I have plans within my mind. So I just pre-planned everything within myself, so I don't have to. If it should be a stressful process, then I will wrote it out off on the paper. So I just find some more time or for studying the English language, or we have to. The only means I am used to is that how a native speaker communicate effectively in English language. That the way I have to been used to with that language. So I completely want want to be a native as well. So I just not in any citizenship, but the way the natives communicate, and it's not at all a impossible thing or nothing like that. And for the last night I just saw a vocabulary that saw on the YouTube, that is polyglot, which has the spelling of POLYGLOT, and polyglot is which is a person who is been using more than two languages simultaneously, so he can be called as polyglot. And I just have a tiny dream or small little dream about speaking over 8 different languages all over the world. So I am just kept it aside and will try in our future as well. So it's been a long time process, so we can find it out after so many years as well. So we are just hoping, and I'm just setting it aside for a ongoing process. And mostly now I am completely focusing on English language. So after that I will concentrate on other language, and most preferably it would be the Arabic language. So after that I will prefer Spanish, French, Portuguese, etc., etc. If time allows, then only I can do the same. So I'm just hoping everything will happen in the future as well. So just hope that time will happen, and we have to find the time for everything, and we will get, or we will find time which is very interesting for us. So if they are repeating for us, we will be involved or immersed into that process. So we will completely we will completely into it. So I'm just focusing only on that. And after that, good news about the KBFC is that they have been signed a player, Hermanjo Capra, who has the age of 33, and it's about a multi-year signing. So we're just hoping that he's a central defensive player, midfield. So he's a versatile player as well. So we can see for the upcoming season he will play for. Earlier he's been played for Bangalore FC, and he has a nice track record at there as well. So for KBFC we can hope that he will play in an amazing season. Not only this season, for the upcoming season as well. We are just hoping that he can get a predominant role or dominant role in the team first 11. So we are just hoping everything on the better track. So in the effective track. So after that we are just moving to so I just downloaded one movie. It's already been watched at some days, some years. I think last year I just saw this movie. So it's about a Mollywood movie which is Varathan, and it's been played. The main cast has been played by the Fagad Fasil and Aishwarya Lakshmi, and it's something very. I most likely like the way they has been directed, or the cinematography. DOP is completely very nice, and it's something very what we want. We want what we want believe that this is a Mollywood movie because the way the shot has been taken, it's completely what the one word is mesmerizing and amazing. And uh, so for nowadays it's been from Mollywood. It's so many upcoming talents has been emerging, and we can see into the future as well. We can see that kind of wide variety of talents will be show off in Mollywood cinema. So we are just hoping that it's something we can also what thrilled of, because we are one among them as well. So I just have a small dream as well. So I just hoping everything will happen at the right moment, and we are just patiently hoping for the best. And you all guys being there, and it's something a great support that you all guys been made for me in this what long journey, and it's something which is very great for both of us. So I think we both will benefited from this thing, this process. So what the about the movie, it's something about what some social relevance is there, because means the privacy that in within a family it's been pushed over by some what some youngsters who has been mad of some sexual harassments or something like that. The sexuality is being abused of a girl or a woman in this movie, but at that final 20 minutes completely what Fagad Fasil at the earlier stage, in the movie it's been a calm and quiet serene guy, but after that at the last 20 minutes it's completely vice versa for in terms of the character of Fagad Fasil, and it's completely what terror for the last 20 minutes. So it's something which is very nice to see as well as feel within in the theater. So I just watched that movie from theater as well, and I have some I I don't go there without with I don't I just go there with my friend which is named Ajwat. You know that I have a friend of during my articleship, and he's we just watched from Changanur theatre Shippy. So some stock audit. I think in my mind I think it's about one stock audit night. I just we both stayed in my home, and after that at the night we just what booked two tickets and just went on to watch the movie. And after the last 20 minutes it's completely what make a make us an impression that something very nice, and we just have to enjoy it within the theater. So that's uh, that's amazing. So amazing experience. So for the upcoming future as well, movie industry has some what clarity should be given, as some movies should be only watched within the theater, then only the effects or the sound effects only will be effectively conveyed to the audience. So it's something which is very great movie as well. So if you don't watch it until you just have to watch it, you can see it, you can see the action or the acting experience of Fagad Fasil. There is so many good shots within that movie, and it's completely amazing, and that's the only word I have to spell over him. He's an amazing actor, and for, it's also good for Mollywood. And we are just, and that's all for today. And I am completely tired of, because I'm totally exhausted, because I already been stated that for the morning session I completely go for what cleaning the above behind field, so I'm completely tired of, so I just take some rest for the next what hours. So I'm just hoping that we'll get a good rest in my bed. So I'm just winding up today's episode, and it's about day 38 38 of English show, and here Jidin signing off, and see you next time in the next episode. So wait until the next episode. So bye bye, tata.